Looking to simplify debt or finance a big purchase? The Citi Diamond Preferred Card is a great choice. Here's how to apply quickly. Start by going to Citi's official site and choosing the Diamond Preferred Card. Click Apply now. On the application, fill in your info: name, address, social security number, income, housing, and employment. Double check your details before submitting. Be aware of the key terms: $0 annual fee, 0% intro APR for 21 months on balance transfers, and 0% for 12 months on purchases. After that, your APR will range from about 17% to 28%. Balance transfers must be done within 4 months with a fee of 5% or $5, whichever is higher. Submit your application and you'll often get an instant decision. If you have it approved, your card arrives within about a week. Activate it, transfer any balance if needed, or use it for purchases during the intro period to avoid interest. That said, it's really simple, it's fast, and it's also smart for managing debt or big expenses. If this helped, like the video, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more straightforward guides.